The need for CFD in engineering designs is growing fast. Companies in your space and others are investing in these tools like crazy. Industries like process and machinery, high tech, medical, and transportation, just to name a few. So why is CFD becoming so important? Well, understanding how air and liquids move in, through, and around your designs is often key to a product's success. Just consider the modern day complexity of managing the thermal aspects of electronic devices as the market dictates that they get smaller while their power requirements get larger. Companies are realizing that not having a CFD tool can lead to unnecessary design delays, multiple physical prototypes, heating and cooling design issues, and ultimately lost productivity. And having a CFD tool that's integrated inside your CAD system opens up a whole new world of design possibilities. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation is embedded right into the SOLIDWORKS interface. It looks and acts just like SOLIDWORKS. So why is that important? Well, this gives designers and engineers the ability to design and simulate at the same time, right from the beginning of the design process. Designs can be changed on the fly, and Flow Simulation can provide immediate feedback on performance. Flow Simulation can even control design parameters and automatically find the best solution based on physical requirements. This means that your designs will evolve quickly and time to market will shrink. So what should an embedded CFD tool have in order to fully understand your design's performance? Results like pressure drop, temperature of parts and surroundings, velocity and flow rates of fluids, conduction and convection are all key. Additionally, when you consider things like optimization, laminar and turbulent flows, forces, pressures, and drags, you can really begin to understand just how powerful a CFD solution can be. Flow can even be used to simulate structural issues using SOLIDWORKS FEA solutions. And keep in mind that SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation is just one aspect of the overall Dassault Systems family of analysis tools, which includes the newly introduced Simulia portfolio. Understand the performance of your designs before a single prototype is built. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation's flexibility and power make it a crucial tool for designers and engineers. Simulating your product's performance in one environment will help you achieve successful designs in less time. With ease of use, a familiar user interface, and a wide range of capabilities, SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation is vital to any engineering and design ecosystem. Reach out to your reseller today to learn more.